Assalamu alaikum. May the peace and blessings be upon you. My name is Faisal Haroon, and in this multi-part series of videos, we will go over the Sunday School program offered by the Ghamidi Center of Islamic Learning. This particular video is an orientation about our program. In the next videos, we will cover the registration process, fee structure, financial aid information, as well as important resources that you should be aware of. Okay, so let's get started. We offer a comprehensive Sunday School program with 100% online delivery. In the next slides, we will learn about the ideology behind our program, our approach to education, stages and levels in our program, as well as details about the two formats that we offer our classes in. Our Sunday School program is based on an ideology that when a student believes in something as a result of discovering it, that belief and the consequent changes in character are very resilient. With that, we aim to instill positive character traits in students based on core Islamic values in the light of the Quran and the Sunnah. This is achieved by cultivating critical thinking in students by teaching them how to objectively explore and understand religion. This leads us to our approach to education. Our approach to education is what really sets us apart. There are four pillars to this approach. First is our curriculum. We are very proud to have developed a curriculum from the ground up with courses and content tailored to specific age groups. All of our Sunday School courses are developed keeping in mind the cognitive ability as well as the challenges faced by children in their target age groups. The second pillar to our approach is our teachers. We go the extra mile to make sure that our teachers are very well versed in their respective subjects, have the ability to connect with their students, and can effectively deliver their content. The third pillar in our approach to education is our methodology. While every teacher has a different teaching style, we make sure that all teachers employ certain common tools. These are interactive discussions, encouraging students to ask questions, and assigning thought-provoking exercises, whether they be in class or as homework. And lastly, we use the best available technology such as Zoom and Google Classroom to deliver our courses. As you very well might know, Zoom is a popular web conferencing tool that is easy enough for anyone to use. Google Classroom is an online portal where students and teachers interact. Also, it is where students hold discussions and teachers assign work to students. We also use Google Classroom for posting meeting links, reminders, class slides, video recordings, and any other student-related communication such as grades and announcements. If need be, students can privately email teachers in Google Classroom as well. Both Zoom and Google Classroom can be used on any computer as well as devices. While I do not recommend joining classes using smaller devices, I do highly recommend that you install the Google Classroom app on your phone so that you don't miss any important notifications. Okay, let's move on. We have divided our entire Sunday School curriculum into three distinct stages. Stage 1, Foundation and Concepts. Stage 2, Quran and Sunnah. And Stage 3, Islam and the Contemporary World. Each stage has 3 levels with assigned age groups. The course names are listed on this slide vertically. Each course is 9 months long. Our school year starts in August and ends in May. We publish a school year calendar available on our website. Classes meet once a week, either on Saturdays or Sundays, according to the US Central Time Zone, and each class is an hour long. Out of 9 courses in our curriculum, at the time of this recording, we are offering 6 courses. In the year 2022-23, we will start offering the remaining 3. Each course we offer is available in 2 different formats. Let's take a look. Every Sunday School course we offer is available as a live course as well as an audit course. Live courses are best for students who can attend online classes on time and keep pace with the rest of the class. Audit classes are better suited to students who might be in a different time zone or can't attend live classes because of other time constraints. Audit students do not attend live classes, they watch recordings and learn on their own pace. These classes are also great for students who might want to take a course that is not offered for their age group. In the next video, we will discuss the age policy in more detail. For our audit courses, parent involvement is highly recommended to make sure that your student is actually learning. Parent involvement is actually a great thing even for live classes. I have had parents tell me that it provides them with an opportunity to formally learn their religion for the very first time. This concludes the first video of our series. In this video, we went over Ghamidi Center's Sunday School program, learned about our ideology, approach to education, an overview of how we have divided our courses into stages and levels, and the different formats that our courses are offered in. In the next video, we will go over the registration process. I hope to see you there.